Here's a dish that makes everyone reach for their phones the second it hits the table. Looks insanely complicated, right? Plot twist! You literally just cook rice and stuff it in a pumpkin. That's it. This is the easiest chef-level flex you will ever pull off. First, let's turn this kabocha into a bowl. Here's the hack. Microwave your pumpkin for 2 to 3 minutes first. This softens it just enough so you won't lose a finger trying to cut it. Now we are gonna sketch out the lid. Follow your sketch line with your knife, working your way around. And ta-da! Pumpkin bowl done. Now let's rinse the rice. See how cloudy this water is? As you rinse, it gets clearer. Doesn't need to be perfectly clear, but you get the idea. Traditional Korean Hearty rice uses chestnut and Korean dried jujubes. But here's the thing, use whatever nuts, beans, or dried fruit you love. Customize it, make it yours. We're covering the top with foil so it doesn't burn, then baking for 30 minutes. After that, we stuff it and finish cooking the pumpkin until it's completely tender. And here's the best part, no dishes to wash, because you're eating the bowl too. Share your custom topping combos with me. I wanna see what you come up with.